Hey foodies! I'm going to be teaching you today how to make these beetroot shots that will help to improve your immune system.
Girl, you better can cook. Think you know you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
So these are the ingredients that you'll be needing: celery, carrots, lemon, ginger, and beets. Ensure that these are washed, they're nice and clean, and then we're just going to run these through a juicer. You can also blend this if you want and then strain it, but I found that a juicer is so much convenient. It's so much more convenient, so that's what I'm going to be using. I'll link this one in the description box below. You just need to rough chop your ingredients, and then you're going to have the two containers, one which will collect the juice and the other which will collect the pulp. I try to take these shots every day. And the first ingredient is carrot. Of course, carrot can help with improved vision, and it will also enhance your immune function. And remember guys, I am not a dietitian, I'm not a nutritionist, so please check with your doctor or verify this information on good old Google before you just take it from me, or before you just make this, all right? But the next ingredient is celery. Now, to be honest, I don't really love the taste of celery, but celery is really good for you. It promotes digestive health and it supports hydration and electrolyte balance in the body. So I don't really love the taste, the flavor it gives, but just taking it as a shot is good. But I'm not going to use this if I'm gonna make some juice, something that I'll drink a lot of. But celery is really good for you. It's really good to in flushing out toxins in your body. So 2 sticks, you can use the whole thing if you'd like, but celery, it's too powerful, too strong, so I didn't add everything. The next thing is ginger. I added the ginger in with the skin on, and ginger is said to reduce inflammation and pain, and it also improves digestive health and relieves nausea. So once the pulp is coming out on the next side, I'm just going to release all the juice in this container, and this will give you about 8 or 9 small containers, 9 shots. But I'm just gonna fill up about 2, and then that's it. Now guys, the beets will help to support heart health, and it's really good to drink your colors because these beets, they're rich in nitrates too, which enhances your blood flow and it increases endurance. So for me, I wanted this shot because I'm trying to move on to the healthier side of life, and I think once I improve my whole digestive system and so on, it'll be easier for me to see some form of improvement in losing weight, clearing up my skin, and so on. So these little shot bottles, I got them from Amazon. Well, I got them from Taobao in China, but you can find them on Amazon. I'm going to link them in the description box also. I made 6 of them from this, but you can get about 9 or 10. So I'm just gonna fill 6, and then the rest I'm gonna drink it. I'm gonna save the pulp and I'm going to dehydrate it, and then I'm gonna use this in smoothies. So all you need now is a funnel to add all that juice, everything that you juiced just now. You just need a funnel to add it to the container. And be careful when you're doing this. I do not strain this. After I juice this, I just mix everything together, and then I'm adding it in the shot bottle. I do not strain this. And try to be more careful than me because I kind of wasted a little bit of it. But this is what it looks like. It is really strong though. The celery is really strong, but after all, it's a shot. So it was just perfect. Alright, I'm just filling these up, all 6, and then I'll have some left, as I said, which I'll just drink. But do not waste it like I did. I definitely could have gotten another half bottle after some of it spilled. I should have also mentioned that I added one lemon. I peeled the lemon and added it to the juice as well. And you know, lemon, they boost the immune system and it aids in digestion and detoxification as well. And so here we have it, my beetroot shots. These are just perfect. I felt energized after, you know, just taking this every morning. So you can try this recipe too. You can leave out the celery. You can replace the celery with maybe some cucumbers or even more carrot. But that's it, guys. I'm on my way to the healthier side of life, and you should try it too. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on, and visit my website at roma'skitchen.net for this and other great recipes. Until next video.